Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust colors in Insta360 Studio desktop application. So basically you have different ways to work with colors, and the first thing I want to show you is the image processing, which you can find in the image processing tab, or rather section in the image tab in our project. And as you can see, we have 4 different options here: the color plus, clarity plus, motion ND, which is not quite the color enhancing feature, and Aqua Vision 2.0. And color plus basically enhances the quality of the colors. We can also adjust the strength of it, so the colors appear more brighter to the viewer, and that's what it does. And clarity plus adds more contrast so that the objects appear clearer, and I guess it also removes some grain of the video. Motion ND basically just adds the motion effect to the video, so it's not related to colors, but it's also a pretty cool feature to use. And Aqua Vision 2.0 basically does the same thing as Color Plus, but it also uses some sort of AI to work with the colors, and you can adjust the hue, the strength of it over here. But if you want to do some more manual work, you can go into Adjust tab, and here you can adjust everything: exposure, highlights, shadow, etc. Just by dragging these toggles over here. Let's say we want to enhance, to add more highlights, to add some exposure. I'd rather want to remove some exposure, but not that much. We can add some shadows this way. We can apply more contrast to the video, and do basically whatever we like. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.